Well, what if we could play a sound when we press this dark button? Sounds interesting, doesn't it? So to make that possible, let's download the audio files. You need to click on the resources link of the video. Now I am going to head over to the link and download the folder, which will take a few seconds. Then save it somewhere. Let me open the folder and extract the files here. I'm gonna go ahead and paste it directly into my root folder. Finally, I'm gonna click on the refactor button. As you can see, we have the assets folder with all the sounds. Now we can open our pubspec YAML and write assets here. We also need to use a package, so let's head over to the pub.dev website. Let's search for an audio player and see what comes up. The AudioPlayers one, that is the first one, looks fine as it has null safety, good likes and pub points. Now I am going to open it to see the logs. The explanation is pretty simple, as you can see. But the thing you have to keep in mind is that while using the audios, we are not required to put the entire destination of the file. We just need to use the file name, and also we need to keep all the files only inside the assets folder. It shouldn't be anywhere else or you won't be able to use it. Since we already have made the assets folder, there won't be any issues, so don't worry about that. Also, you can change the location, but you have to add an extra line to the code, which seems unnecessary here. Now, let's just copy the package name from here and paste it under dependencies, just like that. Let's hit pubget, and if it doesn't work in the first instance, restart Android Studio and click on the pubget again. And as I have told you before, if you use a package for the first time, stop the app and run it again. So it's time to start using the audio player. Open the assets folder, right-click on the audio name, then click on copy path and select the file name option. Now we can create a string variable. I'm gonna call it kick. Inside the string, I am going to paste the file name. In order to use the file, we need to write final, then player. You can use any name here, it doesn't have to be player, but I chose it for better readability. Then inside it, I'm gonna call the
audio player
from the audio player package. And as you can see, while selecting the suggestion, we have automatically imported the package.